Namaste and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to make the all-time favorite chicken biryani. This aromatic and flavorful rice dish is a perfect blend of spices, tender chicken, and fragrant basmati rice. So, let's get started. Introduction and ingredient preparation. Before we begin, let's go over the ingredients we'll need for our chicken biryani. For this recipe, we'll need chicken pieces, basmati rice, onions, tomatoes, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, spices like cumin, coriander, turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, and a handful of fresh mint and coriander leaves. Marinating the chicken. To infuse the chicken with flavors, we'll start by marinating it. In a bowl, add the chicken pieces, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and a mix of spices. Give it a good mix, ensuring that the chicken is well coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to penetrate the meat. Preparing the rice. Next, let's prepare the basmati rice. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. In a pot of boiling water, add some whole spices like bay leaves, cardamom, and cinnamon. Add the rinsed rice and cook until it's 70% done. Drain the rice and set it aside. Cooking the chicken. In a separate pan, heat some oil or ghee. Add sliced onions and sauté until golden brown. Now, add the marinated chicken and cook until it's no longer pink. The spices will release their beautiful aroma, creating a mouth-watering base for our biryani. Layering the biryani. It's time to layer our chicken biryani. In a deep pot, spread a layer of the partially cooked rice at the bottom. Top it with a layer of cooked chicken. Repeat this process until all the rice and chicken are used. Sprinkle some fried onions, mint, and coriander leaves between the layers for added flavor. To ensure that the flavors are sealed in, we'll cook the biryani on low heat in a process called dum. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid or seal it with aluminum foil. Cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the rice to fully cook and absorb the flavors. Serving and final thoughts. Our delicious chicken biryani is ready to be served. Gently fluff up the rice with a fork, mixing the layers. Garnish it with some more fried onions, mint leaves, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Serve it hot with raita, salad, or your favorite side dish. Thank you for joining me in making this mouth-watering chicken biryani. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!